Can a mother save her puppies? Snow is falling fast, the wind is strong, and visibility is almost zero. Every step is hard. The snow is deep and cold. The mother dog knows she must keep them safe. She moves slowly, pawing the snow, testing the ground. She stops, sniffs the wind, looks for any signs of danger. Step by step, she leads her pups. She nudges them when they stumble. Suddenly, a faint glow appears in the distance. A cabin, warm and safe. With careful steps, she guides them through the last stretch. Finally, they reach the shelter. She curls around them, keeping them warm. The storm rages outside, but inside, they are safe. Did all dogs care for their children the same way?